When you first start 3D modeling, the most important thing to be able to do is to get around your workspace. In Autodesk 123D design, there's some simple things you can do to do that. First of all, when you're using a trackpad, the two finger moves are the most important. Most importantly, zoom in and out. Moving up with two fingers, sliding on the trackpad zooms you out. Moving down zooms you in. Now it matters where your cursor is. If your cursor is in the upper right-hand corner, that'll be your reference point. For zooming out, it'll move things towards that cursor. And for zooming in, it'll move things in the opposite direction because it's zooming you into that point. So if I want to zoom in on my object, I have to put my cursor over that object and then drag down with two fingers to get towards that object. Now, if I want to do a move around the object so I can get to the back and see what's going on back there, I use two fingers again, but I click down. And now I have complete manipulation of the area to go around the space, above or below the space, and I can move in 3 dimensions. Now a lot of those moves are also repeatable using this right side menu. Let's say I want to pan. I can use the command on the right side called pan, and now with one finger just pressing down on my trackpad or using my mouse, I can move back and forth or up or down just to get in the right position. I can also do that same move that I did with two fingers pushing down on the trackpad using the orbit command, and that gives me a controller in the middle where first of all with one finger I can actually do the same kinds of moves I was doing before, or I can use these little things that extend out of the orbit to do a move around only one axis. So for example, if I hit this one, it'll move me around the z-axis. Or if I do the top one, it'll move me up and down on the x-axis. And the best way to get the whole object or set of objects into your viewport is to use the fit command. And fit will just zoom you right up or out so that everything fits perfectly in your space, and then you can manipulate from there. Now, one of the hardest things that happens is when the object goes out of your view like that, you're looking for it, that's where fit comes in. Or if you know where it is and you just want to center it better, just move your cursor towards it and zoom in. Or if it's still too far away, move your cursor away from it, zoom out, and then on it and zoom in.